will be found. So let the sun come streaming in, 'cause you reach up and your eyes again. With your head and look around, you will be found. You will be found. You will be found. You will be found. So let the sun come streaming in, 'cause you reach up and you rise again. Head and look around, you will be found. You will be found. You will be found. You will be found.
Well done, Travis. Anya, what do you think of Travis's performance tonight?
I'm like really hyped up. Oh my god, I love that song. I adore it. As soon as you said you were singing that, I turned to Kelly. I was like, oh my god, what a song! And I was actually singing along with you. And then I was like, oh, hang on. And then you completely changed it, and I was like, whoa! And then you hit that note, and my mind is blown. I can't even function right now. Yeah, wow, that performance is my favourite of yours ever. Wow, even the most simplest of movements when you were doing this, I was like, ooh, yes, go, go. I really got into that, and so did you. Oh my god, incredible.
Kelly, what do you think?
Do you know, you've got a way of delivering a performance that just makes people want to listen to you. Like, there was just complete silence in the room. Everybody was like mesmerised by you and your voice and what you were doing on that stage. The notes you're hitting and how much confidence you have in your ability. Gone from like your first audition to now, the songs that you're taking on, you're just a little star in the making. You really are. You were born to be on that stage. And I'm so glad you've come to us and we get to witness your talent, because that was phenomenal. Well done.
Travis, I'm sat here and I was smiling within through that, because I'm listening to you and I'm thinking, I mean, I don't know how the family feel, but like for me personally, just in these last couple of weeks, I've seen such a drastic change in his challenging himself and some of the vocals he's doing, and he's pushing himself in different places, which I haven't heard before. And honestly, I got to bring up, because I want people to know, like in rehearsals, like when you gotta go, I don't even want you to go, because I'm having such a good time, because like you're so easy to work with. I say, right, what do you think about if we try doing that massive note there? You're like, yeah, okay. You don't hold back anything, and that is such a beauty to have back, because you will challenge yourself to anything. And some of the choices I've thrown at you at the moment, you know, these are big songs. Some of them like in advance now, and ideas and things. And you were just like, yeah, okay, yeah, that's no problem. It's unbelievable. That's so important to have. Again, like your persona on stage is one of them sort of moments where we watch you, and you have this from your audition. You do draw people in because of the way you get into your performance. You're focused, you concentrate, you feel the song, and you give it everything. The fact that you challenged yourself on that last note too and took it up again, honestly, but I couldn't be prouder, because you were not holding back anything in this process, and that's exactly how everyone needs to be. Do not hold back. Push everything you can. Absolutely smashed it. Really impressed. Well done.